Before kasi, hindi pa masyadong known yung mga aspects of halal cuisine, the halal way of doing things, no? And Muslim-friendly tourism.
It's not only for the Muslim. Kung titingnan natin globally, ang worth ng halal ngayon is about 2.3 trillion US dollar. So meaning, hindi lang po ang mga Muslim ang nag-advocate ng halal, but even the non-Muslim. Kasi nakikita po nila gaano po kalinis yung pagkain na halal.
Now, it's becoming a popular concept. Also because of our cooperation with the BIMP Yaga.
Dapat halal yung beef. Importante yun.
Madjoyani kay halal.
We observe the qualities of beef food halal.
Sa pagkain, ang tinitingnan ko yung halal.
Nakita ko yung halal certified sila. Talagang pumasok na kami dito.
Our label is the best halal beef rendang.
That's why I pursue halal accreditation.
You have to try halal.
Go for restaurant na halal.
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 Uy, halal yan.
Halal. Halal.
Halal.
Ano ba talaga ang halal? There is a Islamic jurisprudence principle. It says that the origins of all things is permissibility, unless stated by the Quran or there is a hadith that make it deem haram or not permissible.
So, tinawag ng Panginoon ang sangkatauhan na kumain daw kung ano yung dito sa lupa na halal siya, permissible, and then it is good for our health.
Technically speaking, if you see the word halal, dalawa yan siya. No? Yung halalan, Taiwan. Halal literally means permissible according to Islam. So, halal it always connotes religion. Ang Taiwan ay kasama na yung technical aspect or science. Nandun yung cleanliness, purity, wholesomeness, harmlessness ng product. So, hindi lang religious component na sa halal. So, nagbuo ng tinatawag na halal certifying bodies. Ay composed of Islamic scholars and technical men. I-identify nila itong food na ito ay may chemical ingredients na nakakasira ng katawan. So, yun, alam ng mga technical members of the halal certifying board.
Ang halal po na ito ay bahagi po ng aming buhay. Kapag halal ang pagkain ay maramdaman mo dito sa kalooban mo, peace of mind.
Para sa amin kasi, meron kaming paniniwala na mayroon siyang kahalagahan sa aming katawan.
Sa pamamagitan ng pagkonsumo ng halal, ay doon tayo safety. Doon natin mapangalagaan ng kalusugan natin.
Hindi lang sa pagkain ang halal. Even yung sa service, logistic, even ng food, tinitingnan din yung mga ingredients doon. Kung hindi nakakasira ng katawan, para magiging halal siya.
Yung advocacy natin on halal tourism went beyond just the food. This already included culture as well.
At ito ay makakatulong sa atin para mapalago ang ating ekonomiya dito sa Pilipinas, lalo na dito sa Mindanao.
This is a best opportunity. Ito po yung isang window para ma-highlight kung ano yung meron na product na may offer.
Para sa non-Muslims, kung ma-taste ng tao, it's almost the same. Hindi naman makakalay yung taste ng tao. Kaya lang siguro dahil hindi na-introduce ng maayos. At hindi lang actually for Muslim, dahil halal, it's cleanliness, nandun din makikita mo eh.
Halal culinary products, they're health-friendly because it's basically generally organic dapat. Kapag halal, walang mga any foreign process na ginagawa.
It's very assuring that the food or anything that they produce will really be at a standard.
If you're looking for more adventure in your food than the usual menu that's being given to us in food establishments, so you have to try halal. And then, it's nice to also try halal because food gives you a glimpse also of the tradition, the culture, and the heritage of our Bangsamoro brothers and sisters.
Halos lahat ng halal restaurant dito na may product kami. Kasi nga, gusto naming ma-promote yung mga produktong halal.
Since ako, as a food lover and health conscious, gusto ko lahat ng kinakain ko, nagbe-benefits yung health natin. So, sinama ko siya doon sa burger.
We want to be a meeting place for both Maranaos and non-Maranaos, Muslims and non-Muslims alike. We want to show na, you know what, we can all come here for a good cup of coffee.
They're not buying only the food, but they're buying quality, clean, halal food.
Because that's what I want to have our product known to be. Clean and hygienic ginamos.
Ang halal naman kasi, it's not strictly for Muslims lang eh. This is for everybody.
Masaya kami na na-introduce natin ang halal food sa mga Christian.
That's why yung Vital Mal restaurant serving this kind of dishes para hindi lang sa special occasion nila matitikman. Kahit gusto nilang everyday, pwede po nilang matikman.
We have a vision to become a world-class cafe that upholds legacy and culture, to share our products and offerings and our story with the rest of the world.